Hi everybody, good morning. My name is Shuvo. I'm the country director for Parkway Hospital Singapore Assistance Center back in Sri Lanka. Now, I'm in Singapore with Jonathan Lau of Global Success. Now, yesterday we had a phenomenal training by his organization, and he himself trained us, and I simply enjoyed it. The EQ, the emotional intelligence model, what he has shared with us. Actually, it's a continuation of last year's program, and it was outstanding, and I really loved it. And he shared with us with the 6 C's of sales, which really put the whole scenario in real perspective. Because service industry is very challenging. Because there are so many questions, so many objections, rejections. How to handle it, and how to be committed, and how to be caring. It was phenomenal. I simply loved it, and and I'm sure years to come, global success, especially my friend Jonathan Lau, will definitely do an outstanding job, and looking forward to seeing him back in Sri Lanka.